Are you looking for the best iron steamer? In this video, we will show the 5 best iron steamer. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Rowenta Iron Steamer for Clothes. Focused stainless steel sole plate, 400 microsteam holes, powerful steam iron, lightweight, leak-proof, 1725 watts. Brand, Rowenta, manual feature, 1725 watts. Powerful steam boost. Experience efficient wrinkle removal with the steamer iron for clothes, featuring up to 135 grams per minute burst and 35 grams per minute continuous steam. Exceptional coverage. Enjoy superior steam distribution with over 400 microsteam holes on the clothes iron with steamer, delivering efficient ironing on a variety of fabrics. Adjustable steam settings. Easily tackle various fabrics such as cotton, wool, and silk with the Rowenta steam iron for clothes that has customizable steam options. Long-lasting durability. Benefit from self-cleaning and anti-tox systems that maintain optimal performance and prolong the life of your Rowenta professional steam iron. Safe and precise ironing. Enhance convenience with a steam iron with automatic shutoff function, anti-drip protection, and precision tip for detailed ironing in hard-to-reach areas. Number 2. The Eurosteam Next Generation Iron transforms ironing into a faster, easier task. Its powerful built-in boiler delivers continuous high-pressure steam that penetrates deep into fabrics, tackling wrinkles with professional quality results. The standout feature is its no-temperature setting design, perfect for all fabric types without the guesswork of adjusting heat. This makes it ideal for mixed laundry loads and delicate garments. The steam output consistently glides through tough creases, significantly reducing ironing time. The ergonomic design feels comfortable in hand, and the rapid heat up means less waiting and more efficiency. Whether you're prepping work shirts, dresses, or linens, this iron delivers smooth, crisp results. While slightly larger than standard irons, its performance more than justifies the size. If you're looking to cut your ironing time in half while achieving expert results, this Eurosteam iron is a smart investment. Number 3. The Pursteam SteamBurst Plus 1750-watt steam iron delivers exceptional performance with features that make ironing easier and more efficient. Its powerful steam output and adjustable settings handle everything from delicate silks to sturdy denim with ease. The ceramic sole plate glides smoothly over fabrics, reducing snagging and enhancing wrinkle removal. The burst of steam function tackles stubborn creases quickly, saving time and effort. Built-in self-clean and anti-cal systems help extend the iron's lifespan by preventing mineral buildup, while the anti-drip design keeps water where it belongs, inside the tank, not on your clothes. Comfortable to hold and easy to use, this iron offers reliable, long-lasting steam power across all fabric types. If you want a versatile, durable steam iron that consistently delivers crisp, professional results, the Pursteam SteamBurst Plus is a smart, value-packed choice for any home. Number 4. Rowenta ProMaster Stainless Steel Sole Plate Steam Iron for Clothes, 210 grams per minute, 400 microsteam holes, cotton, wool, poly, silk, linen, nylon, 1775 watts iron steamer for clothes, powerful steam. Brand, Rowenta, auto shutoff feature, wattage, 1775 watts. Powerful performance. This clothes iron with its 1775 watts of power and its 430 steam holes delivers professional-grade results with the best steam distribution on the market. Integrated anti-calc system prevents mineral deposits from clogging the pores on steam irons and staining your garments. It is an ideal iron. Precision tip. For hard-to-reach areas with a high-precision spray tip to tackle stubborn wrinkles, this clothes iron with steamer is perfect for the day-to-day. Number 5. The Pursteam SteamTech Elite 1750W Steam Iron is a standout choice for anyone who wants precision and power. The digital temperature control with LED display makes it easy to select the ideal heat for every fabric, taking the guesswork out of ironing. The ceramic sole plate glides effortlessly, reducing snags and smoothing wrinkles quickly. Adjustable steam settings and a strong burst option tackle even stubborn creases with confidence. Practical features like self-clean and anti-calc systems help keep the iron performing at its best over time, while the anti-drip design prevents water stains on garments. Safety is also excellent thanks to the auto shutoff feature. Comfortable to hold and reliable in performance, this iron balances advanced tech with everyday convenience. For crisp, professional results at home, the Pursteam SteamTech Elite is a top-tier pick.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.